Okay, my friends, let's look at Adobe Illustrator's new AI tool, Generate Graphics. Incredible. It's been released in June 2025 and it's pretty cool, and I think this is going to be a game changer. So let's have a look, let's have a play, and I'm excited. So let's go ahead and open Adobe Illustrator. If you don't have Adobe Illustrator, then check out the link in the description and make sure to sign up to Creative Cloud. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and click on New File. And it doesn't really matter what size you would like. Web, perhaps. I'll just go for web and perhaps large and just click on Create. Keep it simple. And over here, you'll see the taskbar and our lovely Generate Vectors Beta. So remember, when something is in beta, it means that it's not fully developed yet. It's still in trial and error, maybe errors most of the time, and it's not complete. So Adobe is still working on it, but I think it's going to be incredible. So enhance text to vector graphic. So self-explanatory, you write a little thing and then it will generate the prompt you wrote, which is incredible. And of course, it's up to Adobe standards, so we know this is going to be high quality. So go ahead and try it now and click on Generate, and we'll have this little window. You can turn off or on suggestions, describe the graphic you want to generate. So I'm going to type a dreamy kitchen with lots of color and pinks and clouds, and I would like a lot of detail. And I would like to select scene because I want to start first with the scene and then add a subject later on. I can choose a style reference, I can choose the effects and even color and tone if we want. Warm color, cool color, maybe vibrant color. I personally like pastel colors a lot, but let's see what it will give us. So click on Generate and let's hope for the best. Who knows what will come up? And wow, that is really pretty, isn't it? Wow. So I'm just gonna make it bigger and not distort it by holding Shift, because I do think it needs to be bigger and perhaps fill out my page. And click away, and okay, you can sort of tell it's AI generated, can't you? But it's pretty, isn't it? So let's click on another one and see. All right, and see. Beautiful. Now, I do think that the moment you make it bigger, it's actually less good and it becomes sort of pixelated. So perhaps let's keep it the same size as it were and just go undo, undo, undo. My best friend, Command or Control Z, and instead zoom in. So I think this one is my favorite. Beautiful. Love the colors, love the tones. Can it be better? Absolutely. I think it could have a lot more detail and it could look better. But so far, so good. Now I'm going to do it once again. I'm just going to create a whole story. Let's add another, perhaps an object this time, or subject. Click on Generate Vectors. And I want a female bee, a chef with a chef hat, a chef spoon. I don't know all the terminology for cooking and chef stuff. A baking spoon. Oh, with a chef hat and an apron. A female bee. And what else should I give her? Earrings. Why not? Okay, and I'm gonna click on subject and perhaps add a lot of detail, or perhaps not. And let's click on generate and again hope for the best. And if it doesn't come out the way we want, we can always undo. Oh, wow. Very interesting. Not quite what I was after. Yes, the second option, the second variation is a lot more like what I wanted. I wanted something exactly like this, although the apron is missing. Let's look at the third one. That is very cute, but is that a bee? I don't think so. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose the second one. And there it is. I feel like we could add some more characters, and it's starting to look like kind of like a children's story or children's book, which is cool. So beautiful. That is my little cartoon illustration. I can add some text and make it into a children's story. So I would love for you to give me more ideas of things I can add to this illustration. And let me know what your experience is with the Generate Vectors beta tool in Adobe Illustrator, the new June 2025 tool. Now, if you want to learn Adobe Illustrator from scratch, from A to Z, then check out my beginners class in Skillshare or on Udemy. I also have an intermediate class where I go more into detail about how to create all sorts of gorgeous designs with Adobe Illustrator. So as always, it's a pleasure. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button or the subscribe button or however people say it. So thanks a lot and see you soon.